Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. We are back with our Oraimo Watch 5. And on this video, we are going to explore the available watch faces for this wearable. So we are going to have a demo for downloading a watch face as well as the custom watch face for the smartwatch. So if you are interested to see the list of watch faces or dials for the Oraimo Watch 5, watch this video. And again, if you find this video useful, like, share, and subscribe. Alright, so let's start and explore the available watch faces for our Oraimo Watch 5. Let's go first with the preloaded watch faces. Please take note that this smartwatch don't have a support for the rotary function. To change the watch face, you can go to the settings or long press to go directly to the watch face section. Then swipe. Let's count. How many watch face do we have? We have 1. Then again 2, 3, 4. We have at least 4 watch faces. To apply the watch face, just tap on it. Okay, again, we have at least 4 preloaded watch face. So it is a combination of digital, analog, and animated watch face. If you want to download additional watch face, you have to go to the support app. Okay, again, the smartwatch is using the Oraimo application, Oraimo Health. So open the app, go to the dial center, wait for it to load. So we have here the dial market, and we have my dials. So the my dials, let's see. So these are the preloaded watch face. Okay, seems like we don't have an option to delete the dial. Create dial. So this is a custom dial. Dial market is the list of watch faces for your, or dials for your wearable. Okay, so we have categories here, recommended dials. We have simple dial, business affairs, dazzle color, personality, pointer, and sports data. So let's go to the sports data. Let's see the available watch faces. So the app is a bit slow when downloading watch faces, I think. So let's wait. So here are the available watch faces for the sports data. Okay, let's try to explore. We have the recommended dials, simple. Okay, this is nice. Price, law, business affairs. Okay, only limited list. Then we have dazzle color, and next we have personality. Going back, next pointer. So these are analog type. Let's try this Galaxy later on. Then of course the sports data. Let's go to the pointer, and let's try to download this Galaxy. Okay, then set as main dial. It's now downloading. Let's see if our smartwatch switch to download mode. Transmitting dials 0%. And as you can see, our smartwatch here switched to download mode. Let's wait. And we have here our Galaxy dial. It is an analog type with some details here for the steps. Okay, we have the heart rate and the beats per minute here, the steps. What else do we have? Battery. Okay, nice. Let's have another one. Okay, let's try this one. I like this also. Honeycomb. Okay. Then transmitting dial. After this, we'll have the custom dial. %. Okay, we have here our honeycomb dial. So far, it works. And we have some good list of watch faces. Okay, it's a bit slow to load, but I think it's okay. Okay, average for the speed. For the custom dial, we have here the create dial option. So let's start and have our own custom dial. So let's add an image, log in to create more watch faces. Going to the image here. So we have an option here. Take photos or select from your album. We'll select this one. Let's pick some photos here. Okay. Let's adjust. Completed. I guess you can only add one photo at a time. Then let's adjust the time here. Change the color. Okay. This one. Then set as main dial. Transmitting dial. %. Okay, let's wait. $52, $56, 64%. And we have here our custom dial or custom watch face. And as you can see here on my dials, so we have our custom watch face. I guess you can only download one watch face at a time. Our previous dial or previous watch face that we downloaded, okay, has been overwritten by our custom dial. It has been erased by when we download the custom dial. Okay, so that's it for the dial section or the watch face section for our Oraimo Watch 5. Again, if you have any questions regarding the demo, drop a comment below, and of course like, share, and subscribe. Bye.